For people that signed up for the Trump University, congratulations. You guys lost your dollars cuz that university was not even real. That was scam, and even the news said it was scam. So people that joined the University of Trump, you just gave your money to a guy that has already billions of dollars. Man, he's making more income than you. Oh my God, that's what you get, guys. White people or anyone that joined that, specifically white people, that anyone joined the Trump University was basically fake, so he could make more income. But man, the way that they make the video, it's so hilarious that I mean only a bamboozle will get tricked by this, by the channel the Briefinger, yeah. So this was pretty crazy, man. I honestly was like, what the fuck? I thought the university was real, but then I'm like, nah, it's probably some scam. Like he's probably gonna try to get your money. You're not gonna learn anything. I was right. Man, I feel bad for the people that got their money stolen. They should. I honestly think they should sue him. But looking at Trump, it's a $1 billion guy. It's gonna be hard, man, because he got a whole bunch of attorneys. I'm guessing, but I mean, they could pull it off, man. I mean, if there's a whole bunch of people that got robbed of their money and just because they thought it was a real university, they should sue, man. I honestly feel like, man, I feel for those people that signed up for Trump University, man. This was horrible, man. It was crazy. But I'll put the link below, man. You'll see what I'm talking about once you see the video, man. It's pretty funny. I was like, wait, what? I thought this was a campaign for Trump, but they made fun of it, bruh.